Okay, so here's the thermal camera that I got, the AGM TM10-256. So I'm really liking it. I've been shooting some video with it on the different modes. So this is really cool. And I'm looking at getting a monitor for it. It looks like it's about a monitor screen about the same size as a cell phone. So I don't have to look through the eyepiece. But I've noticed I was taking my glasses off and looking through the eyepiece. And then I realized that I can look through it with my glasses on and see it pretty good with the glasses on too. So I don't have to take my glasses off to look at it. Alright, so here's the videos. And there's no sound with the AGM thermal. There's no sound with the thermal. Just so you know, there's not going to be any sound during those parts. But I'm going to show the different settings. So here's the regular camcorder during the day. Okay, and then here's my camcorder with the night vision. And I'm going to show it without the IR light. I'll show it with the camera's IR light. And then I'll show it also with the IR flashlight that comes mounted. I have it mounted to it. It comes with it there. Okay, this is the night vision camera. My night vision camcorder. Alright, so this is what it looks like with no IR light. Okay, this is the camera's IR light. So this is just the camcorder. Now I'm going to turn the IR flashlight on. Alright, so there's with the IR flashlight. Okay, I'm going to turn the IR flashlight back off. Now I'm going to turn the IR light back off on the camera. Alright, so I'm going to stop this and then I'm going to record the same thing with the thermal camera. And now I'm going to show you the fusion. So this is the black hot. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the white hot. Okay, so this is just for my comparison video. This is during the daytime now. So you can see Chloe. I've been filming her with all the different, with all 3 different cameras here. So this is just for a comparison, so you can see all the different settings that I went through with the AGM thermal camera, and then also using that Night Vision Camcorder. And then also filmed over here the fence and the trees there. Alright, so that's just putting all these together to show what they look like. And the thermal camera only had it on the 1 power. It zooms out to 8 times. So that was just the one time, the normal zoom on it. It's not actually zoomed out yet. Alright, so I'm just doing a comparison video with the new thermal camera. The AGM thermal camera. This right here is the camcorder with the night vision. And that's with the IR light on. Just the camera IR light. Okay, and that's with the camera IR light off.